Exactly.
We have 100 members.
Shout out to Veer Das because he said once you go brown,
Oh,
the other
yes.
colors let you down.
Oh, yeah.
I remember. That was start.
3, 2, 1, action!
Hello, people. Welcome to the third episode of the talk show. And today we talk about. That's serious or what is serious? No, it's a serious thing. We're talking about bullying. Like how, like this is the most common thing that we all have experienced. মোটামুটি তো সবার সাথেই হয়েছে কম বেশি বেশি হয় কারণ তো
But before that,
before that মালকিন
ক্যামেরাটা একটু এরকম করে যদি এরকম করে একটু জুম করে
flowers again add flowers
ইনসার্ট
Drum roll বাজায় কেন?
না drum roll না বারবার ভালো লাগে
Okay. So this is Simran. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Simran Vanessa Pradhan.
SVP
SVP.
This is so formal.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Simran.
and this is a
That's it.
corporate
That's all
video.
you need to know about me for now.
No, actually, she is a new member in our team.
In clicks.
She's an old friend and a new member.
She is my friend. Your
All
friends,
right.
Okay,
that's okay. No,
Friends
but the
by
thing
chance.
is, today
ये भी bullying है ये groupism है
গ্রুপিজম তোমরা গ্রুপ করছো
No, that's so sad.
সবার বন্ধু আমরা
I'm
সবাই
everyone's
বন্ধু
friend. I'm everyone's friend.
yes everyone
Basically, N clicks is growing. Like
हाँ
exactly
we have 100 members.
so we laugh every time and people think we are like going to discuss about something very funny
No, not
but
funny.
it's not so yeah moderator please moderate
so coming to the quietest member we have two quiet members so I'll go to you first what do you understand about bullying like your definition of it and don't give blank expressions people don't like that
This is also a type of bullying only, na? You're bullying me into telling something I don't
I'm
know.
helping you I'm giving you providing live examples
कुछ भी.
no actually the thing is see we all have so many opinions and here we just give our opinions
Clash.
so it doesn't need to be something like what do we all understand about
I'll
this
go
term
around the
called
It doesn't have to be
Bullying.
right. Kuch bhi.
Oh my god, okay, people.
okay give me an example like whatever bullying কথাটা শুনে first কি মানে মাথায় আসছে anything apart from what I said
তোকে খেতে দেয় না? তুই তো পাতলা কেন?
okay
And this kind of goes on.
okay Simran for you
I feel like it's more intimidation. Like you're trying to intimidate someone into them thinking that they're not good enough.
okay
exactly
Shovik
মোটা আমি এখন অনেক মোটা ছিলাম মানে এখন এখনো
He is
মোটা
just
আছি
putting the আমি আগে মোটা ছিলাম অনেক
আমি এখনো মোটা আছি বাট
আমাকে যখন
কম
কেউ
মোটা
বলে মোটা আমি আগে জানতাম না তারপর আমি ইংলিশটা পড়ে আই ইউজ টু সে আই এম হরাইজন্টালি চ্যালেঞ্জড নট মোটা এনিওয়ে আচ্ছা তোর ডেফিনিশন
ডেফিনেটলি তুই তো কালো হয়ে যাচ্ছিস কেন একটু মুখটার কিছু কর তোর মা এত কিছু সবাইকে এত কিছু করে দেয় তোকে কিছু করে দেয় না দ্যাটস দ্য থিং
আমাকে মানে অনেক বোকা বোকা জিনিস নিয়ে হয়েছে ব্যাপারটা বাট দ্য মোস্ট রিডিকুলাস পার্ট অফ ইট ওয়াজ নাও পিপল সে ওকে ইউ আর টল বাট একটা সময় ছিল when I used to be ridiculed because of the height like they used to call me a lot of things anyway acha so since we gave examples not proper definitions I think for our viewers we should give them the proper definition as per Google
so we'll
Right.
search Google so it says that the first thing that comes is bully is like seek to harm intimidate or you know things like that but there is a very nice thing written in dictionary.cambridge.org it says the behavior of a person who hurts or frightens someone smaller or less powerful often forcing the person to do something they do not want to do
right so mainly it's that power struggle right someone superior from you or someone who thinks they are
they're superior.
they are the ones who initiate this thing right
exactly
and of course if you are timid or shy so it accelerates somehow वो बढ़ जाता है that person gets like, okay, I'm dhas jaba rahe hain and jam bhi raha hai. So that
Exactly.
You also
increases.
try to sort of adjust to it ki theek ache he says or she says something like that, so I won't talk or I
Right.
won't say anything which makes the situation any worse.
Right.
Either I won't say anything or I will try and make myself fit
Yeah.
to what the person is saying.
Exactly, yeah.
So, like,
No, this is a very old Bangali idiom.
Yeah.
তুই না রাগলে ওরা আর রাগাবে না,
হ্যাঁ
right?
তুই রাখছিস বলে তোকে আরো
আরো
রাগাচ্ছে
রাগাচ্ছে, correct. But
So-
then that's not the case all the time.
like the thing is like we act like grown-ups, so we like ignore them.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But
Ignoring them is actually making it
exactly
worse.
always ignoring everything is
Is
not
not
the
good.
right choice
now
but
if I keep ignoring everybody, at a point I'll be alone.
Yeah.
Nobody will be there.
yeah so I want everybody to like share their experiences regarding this one thing
Before that,
huh
let's again ask Google Babaji যে কোন টাইপ অফ বুলিং হয়।
সেটা আই গেস গুগলকে ওরকমভাবে জিজ্ঞাসা করতে হবে না বিকজ উই কাইন্ড অফ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড লাইক আই মিন সিন্স উই ওয়ার ডেফিনেটলি talking about this thing before shooting so we there's definitely physical bullying is there
মারুঙ্গা।
হ্যাঁ তো ওটা তো ডাইরেক্টলি মানে ইউ বেসিক্যালি দে হিট ইউ
Yeah.
that's the thing
Yeah.
and more than that I believe that physical thing definitely it hurts you physically but there's mental bullying you are not touching someone yet you're harming them so much
And
in a
that's
way
worse.
and it's worse
Because
and
the after effect lasts
exactly
longer.
exactly
Trauma
A
and
wound
it
will
just-
heal.
Yeah.
Actually, the physical also is like linked with the mental, right?
Ah,
Like,
that is also
Yeah,
there.
definitely.
physically
that
when you hit
is
a person
there.
or like put them down or something, the person will think like about it.
Yeah. It
Exactly.
stays,
Rolling it
like,
inside
it
it.
keeps staying for a long time. Like
exactly
স্কুলে হয়, but then way into your 40s you see that person on the road and you instantly are back in that classroom where he's kind of hitting you or trying to hit you, whatever.
exactly
So yeah.
and in this digital world I believe we have this new term cyberbullying exactly
Which is
So-
I think very very like it is my thought, but cyberbullying can actually lead to both the other types of bullying. Mental to hai, but cyberbullying can actually start riots, small places, or heated arguments, which can
Actually.
lead to
Actually,
physical.
And the thing about cyberbullying is that it's very convenient because people don't know who you are. You can be somebody else online
Right.
and you can bully someone. At least when you're bullying someone in person, they know it's you.
Right.
So if they want to speak up against you, they can. But online, you don't know who the person is.
exactly
So it becomes very traumatizing to the person going
and
through
the
it.
fact that she said that it's easy
it's easy.
Mane, can you understand? I mean, for bullying in person, if I know the person, I have a reason. Maybe I don't like that person, therefore I'm bullying the
Yeah.
person. But online, you don't even know the person, and you're
You can
just
be
there.
Yeah, you can just be free in
Exactly, you are just there. You are seeing something. Maybe in any post, someone has commented something.
An opinion.
An
You
opinion.
don't agree to that opinion.
Exactly.
Yes, actually, we discussed about this in the first episode of the talk show, right?
Yeah.
Like the sleazy text or something that received by women.
Exactly.
So they are like freely texting whatever they
And-
feel like.
And cyberbullying में क्या होता है, since तुम कंप्यूटर के पीछे हो, there's this mask. So
Exactly.
even a bully in real life, even a victim of a bully in real life can actually turn into a bully.
Definitely.
this is a complete cycle.
Yeah.
You tend to behave like the way
You're
they
treated.
have treated you.
Yeah,
And I
like
guess the most মানে খুবই কনভিনিয়েন্ট এক্সাম্পল হচ্ছে ফ্রেশার্স এর আগে ফার্স্ট ইয়ারদেরকে যেভাবে বুলি করা হয়
এটা তো একটা it has become like a
It's a
you know tradition
ট্রেডিশন মানে
Exactly.
আমাদেরকে বুলি করা হয়েছে আমরাও করবো হ্যাঁ?
মানে
Yeah.
there are videos like that which says that engineering কলেজে কেমন ভাবে বুলি করা
I
হয়
was traumatized
then you know
when I
medically
got into
কিরকম ভাবে
one.
বুলি করা হয় apparently there are different ways
Yeah.
Yeah.
Based on your stream,
Yeah.
and
of
you know
course.
you can be ridiculed for being a good student.
Very much.
If you're a
Yeah.
bad student, they'll be like, okay.
well,
You're
they're
a bad
jokes.
student, yeah,
they're
you
jokes, right? Like करना क्या है मुझे? करना क्या है? मतलब अच्छा करूँ तो भी bully,
Exactly.
bullied, like बुरा करूँ तो भी bullied. मतलब
And-
करना क्या है?
And you know, engineering or medical both are like very posh professions. They're very important professions, and the course material is anyways tough. It's already there. इसके ऊपर this added pressure So you know that is the maybe like that is not maybe but it is definitely one of the contributing reasons for the amount of people who die
and then
or
you
drop
don't
out.
understand ki
No, for suicide.
exactly what do I do.
हाँ,
People,
How
there
do
are
I
exactly there are people who
respond?
are confident enough, who are excited to enter a new life in your college or something like that.
Yeah.
But then everybody is not the same.
and especially if you come from a school where you haven't faced it.
Exactly.
You're facing it for the first time in college.
School is such
You
a
don't know how to deal
comfortable
with
zone
it.
for
It's a
you.
nurturing place.
Exactly, school is a very
You know, from your
it's a
parents.
very comfortable zone
Yeah.
because of your friends. Some
you
people
come back
are
home every day.
Exactly.
Your parents are always there. But when you are
Exactly.
in college, you probably have to leave the
And
state.
the definition just shows na, like the big person or a bigger person, smaller person.
Right.
That doesn't depend on the age or the size.
No.
It can also depend on the like, power of what you do.
Exactly, the
Like
power.
I'm bullied by my boss. Maybe. I may bullied by my boss, and when I go out to eat from somewhere smaller huts or something place, I bully the manager of that place. Like क्या खाना बनाया यार तुम क्या चाय है एकदम कैसा है. Like I am stressed from my work and I am venting that out on that smaller
মানে
person.
It's again
এটাকে
a chain.
বাংলায় আবার
It's
বলে
again a
উদর
chain.
পিণ্ডি বুদর ঘাট।
Uddar Khan.
exactly.
Right. So that means Simran is what that means is that इसका हिंदी मेरे को नहीं पता उदो एंड बुदो आई डोंट नो बट द
Nouns.
सिंपल थिंग इज तुम गुस्सा हो नील पे
हाँ
हाँ नहीं मतलब तुम गुस्सा ऑब्वियस है तुम गुस्सा हो नील पे हाय नील तो बट तुम गुस्सा दिखा रही हो इस पे
अच्छा ओके
because
अंडरस्टूड
नील
हाँ
नील
When-
Placing your anger.
Venting out in the wrong place. Like you're not supposed to do that, but you're still doing that.
हाँ हाँ
So yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, now like if like we can talk about our experiences since we are see there's this one thing now you never really talk about what you experienced.
you try
like-
to forget
There are
You try to forget. You think if we don't talk about it, it'll probably go away.
It'll
You
fade
won't-
away.
Yeah.
exactly
So-
and
and
you know
at a
there
point
are
it might become non-existent but it just needs that one trigger like I said you see that person who's on the other side he doesn't even recognize he or she
You probably wouldn't even need a trigger. You're alone, doing your own stuff, minding your
Huh.
own business, and just
suddenly it just comes
exactly now for example certain things are so subtle AJ like every single day and I am also guilty of maybe doing this if a person is tall you always call that person a selfie stick like bhai tu chhota tule de tu hi to selfie stick bhai ঠিক আছে না in our country I believe being tall is a good thing like if you are tall apparently tall dark and handsome so if
Like
you are
probably
tall
the other
it's
guys
good.
know that before this person, so they are intimidated by you. So they are
exactly
saying like, "Hamba."
exactly but
Giraffe,
মানে
Lombu,
আমি জানি না
giraffe,
তোমাকে
these are good
exactly
these are okay Lombu and all ठीक है Eiffel Tower these are nice things but when you say like a lamppost or you know like stuff
I
like
don't know
that.
how is it
एटलीस्ट जलता तो हूँ
हाँ,
like
तुम-
I don't
हाँ,
understand
नहीं see so this is exactly like how you responded to
Yeah.
it now imagine responding to it when you are in class 6
you don't
हाँ, you can't,
understand.
you
right?
can't.
Like, yeah.
तब ना क्या होता
I
है
know.
ए तू ऐसा मत बोल मैं तेरे को मारूंगा एंड देन यू बिकम द बुली इमीडिएटली क्योंकि आई एम ऑलरेडी larger than them so they are anyway intimidated like he said it comes out of insecurity I feel
Exactly,
some bullies actually
exactly.
bully because they are insecure maybe because you are a better student than them maybe you are a better human being maybe you look better than them whatever it is their own insecurities that you know
Some
manifest
person maybe like looks like a model, has a like a really long nose.
हाँ तो उसको রাইট you know
Yeah,
divider
हाँ
something.
कुछ भी बोल सकते
ছোটবেলায় নাক টেনে দিয়েছিল আমাকে বলতো তোর বাবা কি ছোটবেলায় তোর কান ধরে টানতো ওই জন্য লম্বা হয়েছিস বা তুই কি সারাক্ষণ ঝুলতিস
হ্যাঁ
কত
না
complaint
কমপ্লেন
খেয়েছিস?
খেয়েছিস হ্যাঁ
কত
এক্স্যাক্টলি
complaint?
দ্য কমপ্লেন থিং
তো
ইজ
I
এভার
came up
এক্সিস্ট
I
তোমাকে
came
তো
up with
বলতো
an
তো না
idea
ধরে কেউ টানেনি
মানে
না তোকে দেখে আমি বলতাম মানে এটা ডেফিনেটলি শুনেছিস ছোটবেলায় কি পড়ে গেছিলি বা ফেলে দিয়েছিল
পড়ে গেছিল না প্রথমত তো আমাকে বলতো যে তোদের বাড়িতে সবার হাইট ভালো হাউ আর ইউ
how are you
লাইক
basically the question is how are you but their invitation is different.
দ্যাট না আমি সাথে এটাও অ্যাড করছিলাম যে মেবি ফর আ গাই বিং টল ইজ আ গুড থিং বাট ইফ ইউ আর আ গার্ল ইফ ইউ আর টল ইফ ইউ আর
বিয়ে হবে
বেঙ্গলি
না, oh
দ্য
মা।
ফার্স্ট থিং দ্যাট উইল কাম লাইক দিস টু ইউ ছেলে
ছেলে
পাবো
পাবো
কোথা
না,
থেকে?
বিয়ে হবে না
এই এত লম্বা মেয়েকে বিয়ে কি করে দেবো অ্যান্ড দেন
এটা
ইউ বি
আমাকে
লাইক
শুনতে হয়েছে
অ্যান্ড দেন ইফ ইউর
তোর জন্য তো
হাজবেন্ড
কুমোরটুলিতে অর্ডার দিতে হবে
হ্যাঁ দেন ইফ ইউর হাজবেন্ড ইজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি শর্টার দেন ইউ
সেটাও একটা ভুলে
সেটাও একটা প্রবলেম তো মানে এদের রিলেশনশিপটা মানে
মানায় না ঠিক না এদের পাশাপাশি
ছেলেটা নিশ্চয়ই হিলওয়ালা জুতো কাস্টমাইজ হয়ে বানায়
Hey, have you heard that thing? Like, it's like there in every Indian family. দেখেছিস তো লম্বা ছেলের বেটে বউ হবেই আর লম্বা মেয়ের বেটে বর হবে মানে দে মানে অ্যাজ ইফ ইটস রং সামহাউ আরে কি আছে
Putting a question mark to every single thing. Acha, so this we can start off with like sharing our experiences since we are talking about it. So let's start with Simran with her not a phone.
Okay. So, weirdly, I was never bullied for my weight. Like, nobody ever said, oh, fatty, or whatever, things like that. Nobody ever said that. But when I was younger, I used to have a lot of guy friends. And people used to always, like, you know, they used to call me a slut. They used to call me really bad names because I had so many guy friends. Rumors like, oh, she's had, like, you know, sex with this one and that one. And I'm just sitting there like, excuse me, what? Like, just because he's my friend, matlab, like, what? And the worst part is, it's not just them. They used to go and tell their parents, and their parents used to tell other parents, who used to tell other parents, who used to tell their kids not to talk to me. And I'm just like, I didn't even do anything. I just have friends. What am I supposed to do about it? Am I not supposed to keep friends?
No,
or am I supposed to advance with a friendship कि हाँ जेंडर ठीक है
हाँ।
हाइट ठीक है कलर ठीक है
सब
रेस
check।
ठीक है
तुम
कास्ट
लड़के
ठीक
हो,
है
मैं तो
फिर
तुमसे
चलो
बात ही नहीं कर सकती. Sorry.
हाँ।
Sorry.
Oh, you're a girl. How nice. Let me talk to you. And
no, but this
वैसे
one
तो नहीं
thing
होता है.
I
Very
want to
same
ask.
thing, probably the intimidating thing. Probably.
Huh?
she's so popular so why aren't we
Exactly. No, there is this one thing, like, since she was sharing this, I don't know exactly how much the other thing that I'm going to talk about affects her, or she, like, thinks
Menu.
it off as a
Menu.
I thought it was a
No.
dog again.
no, sorry. No, this one thing that I'm going to talk about, like, ask her that I don't know if she considered that as, like, being bullied or not, something like that. I'm with her for, like,
I know
1
what
year
you're
or
going to
so.
talk about.
Yeah. So, Simran, North East का हवा कैसा है?
Are you from Nepal? How many times have you been to Nepal? And it doesn't bother me honestly, but I guess it is a kind of.
No,
It
just
is,
because
definitely.
looking at the way you are,
it's
and
borderline racism
exactly,
It
it's
is,
racism.
yeah.
And every time I want to say this, you won't say this. Born and brought up in Calcutta. Calcutta.
I'm like, I'm more Bengali than Nepali.
Huh, I mean,
True,
I
true.
think like a few of my friends, like he was a very dear friend to me, he still is. But obviously school friends में बहुत ज़्यादा तब you know every day he used to come home, he used to play. So he was from Mizoram. Okay, so his name was Joshua, and I won't try to pronounce his last name because मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. Something Lal Rang something. I don't know. Anyway, so he used to face this कि तू चाइनीज़ है या तू नेपाली है या तू क्या है तू वहाँ पे तो सब लोग सेम ही होते हैं ना तुम लोग तो सेम ही हो this thing and he used to be really bothered about it because he loved Mizoram he
Okay.
loved from where he came and hence he was like I'm from Mizoram I want to be identified as that I don't want to be confused as a Chinese or a Japanese and I think this is very common for people who come from the northeastern states because you know people just think this is funny it's not
It's
funny
not. It's absolutely
it
not.
is not at all funny maybe you know to north Indian people or South Indian people it is kind of funny it is not at all funny because imagine you being stereotyped
Yes.
as something else matlab
Even like
this is
calling
what
them
people
names and
face
something.
this is
Calling
what
them
people
Momo. Imagine you're
Yeah.
like, I'm Nepali.
I'm sorry, this
If
is so wrong.
If someone calls me Momo, I'm like, number one, Momo is not even a Nepali
Nepali
dish.
it's a Tibetan dish right
So it's not even related. So why are you calling me Momo?
yeah, Devashmita looking at the cat, trying to find the cat. Yeah. So,
you're
Three
not
things.
paying attention to
Three
class
things basically.
ma'am has caught you
So
চক ছুড়ে মারবো.
তিনটে জিনিস
এটা-
প্রথমত তো তোর পাতলা কেন মানে সবার প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে তোকে কি বাড়িতে খেতে দেয় না নাও হোয়াট will make everybody understand that I would probably kill to eat.
I can
মানে
we all can vouch she
I
eats a
don't
lot
care if somebody is getting married.
Neil, how
I
much
just
does
want
she eat?
food. In that manner.
Rakhoshi. We call her Rakhoshi. This is not. This is comedy.
This is bullying.
No, this is not bullying.
That is one
We don't tell her don't eat. We just say you are a Rakhoshi.
So yeah, that's one thing. Second thing is because of the teeth.
I just laughed. I'm sorry. I just laughed.
Look at him.
Okay, so and this one is it's kind of touchy because it has been an insecurity and this kind of built up. So I don't know, that was there. And the most recent one is because of tattoos.
Right.
So although my parents are not really typically orthodox, my other
They're very cool.
yeah, they are very cool, but my relatives are. So
What, cool or uncool?
very uncool.
Orthodox.
Yeah, sort
So
of.
like what? They have opinion about your.
They have opinion, and
Statements.
I have been made to sit, and I have been given a lot of lectures about it.
Intervention.
Yeah, basically an intervention which also had it in the gist ki কোনো ভদ্র বাড়ির কোনো অর্থোডক্স বাড়ির কনভেনশনাল বাড়িতে তোর বিয়ে হবে না।
হবে না।
Lucky you, bro.
ওকে
হবে না।
You get a casual, like you're born up like that.
ব্রন definitely
You're born up like that. होता है. So you're born up like that. So if you actually are lucky enough to find someone whose family is as cooler, as cool as yours, nothing.
No, I mean
nothing
something that you wanted to do just like you want a tattoo on yourself. ठीक है, so
না আমার একটাই প্রশ্ন, ও কি ওদের স্ক্রিন ভাড়া করেছে?
না
ও তো নিজে
না,
কিনে
ঠিক
করেছে।
আছে, আমি
টাকাটা
সেটাই
তুই ওদের থেকে
বলছি।
নিয়েছিলি?
Like the
না, তাহলে
kind
কি
of
হয়?
clothes that you're wearing or whatever there is in your skin, like an accessory, whatever you're wearing or like your hair color or things like that.
ও হেয়ার কালারও ছিল, but that went off, so that's out of question now.
No, I mean, how does that
piercings?
concern?
Piercings.
How does that concern your marriage? It is not. I don't think it's related
अरे,
to.
अरे,
I don't.
checklist
It's
है,
not related to
checklist.
marriage. It's
Checklist
related
है.
everybody. Anybody who has tattoos or a tattoo, they're considered as being like, oh, that person's not a nice person because he has a tattoo. So what?
badass,
You think I'm a
badass.
part of a gang because I have a tattoo? I don't
No,
understand.
I'll
like,
also get a
I want to
tattoo.
say this. It's only probably in India where having a tattoo is considered
Badass.
uncool. No, it's
The
considered
badass babua.
uncool. Badass babua is you have to have a pan, you have to have keychain.
It's like
This
this.
badass.
এ বাবা মেয়েটাকে দেখো হাতে ট্যাটু করিয়েছে।
Now, it is actually the badass thing I said. The people like think like here tattoos may be like a very badass,
Rude.
going and rude.
हाँ,
So I'm like gonna
arrogant.
stay away from.
हाँ,
Exactly, like
भाई इनसे नहीं
maintaining a
मिलने वाला
distance.
है। इनके साथ पब्लिक में नहीं दिखने का।
Actually, the fault of the movie is also somewhere.
Definitely.
Somewhere because they
These
show
are
like
Influence like that.
I remember
Every
force.
sort
Influence
of
like
bullying
that.
is somewhere introduced in the movies. If you are like this, and it has been
Like they paint the
generalized.
pictures now,
one
the
line that I can like say right now. There's this song, "Tu हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण." What?
The consented
It's like it's not there. It's just not there.
शाहरुख के बारे में नहीं
मेरे
बोले।
opinions तो matter ही नहीं करते.
It's different.
But then you think about
and the
it.
girl is smiling, right?
No,
Like,
think about
yeah,
it.
How
He
romantic
was
is that?
singing
Very
that.
romantic.
See, that film was depicting a mentally disturbed person who's obsessing and stalking somebody. But
Shah Rukh
even then, I'm not justifying it.
No.
But kudos to him because he took on that role. Nobody was ready to take that role.
Listen, this is
Because of the
about consent. Now,
backlash.
if we consider खंबे जैसी खड़ी है लड़की है या छड़ी है
এটা কোন গান?
जिस
There's a
There's a
song.
very famous.
जिसकी बीवी मोटी
हाँ,
उसी का
उसका भी
बड़ा
बड़ा
उसका
नाम
भी
है
बड़ा नाम है.
गद्दे बिस्तर पे मिला तो गद्दे का
गद्दे का क्या काम है? Okay, see, it's funny because we have been born and brought up
Yeah,
listening
we've
to
been
that song.
exactly this is such a general thing
It's kind of bred into us.
for and you hear this song about like Honey Singh came up with this song
Blue eyes.
ना brown girls something
Brown
something
rang.
कुरियनी तेरे
Yeah,
brown
brown
रंग
रंग,
दे apparently nobody makes song on brown girls because when that came out it became such a like
Ah.
oh my god and
But shout out to Veer Das because he said once you go brown,
Oh
the
yes.
other colors let you down.
Oh yes.
So yeah, man.
no and what's चिटिया कलाइयावे
Please,
If
मैं
you
तो
don't-
तंदूरी मुर्गी हूँ.
हाँ मैं तंदूरी
Why
मुर्गी
am I तंदूरी मुर्गी? I'm a human being.
Fine. Fevicol se?
ओटाई तो
Okay, but this is another episode.
Yeah.
We are
we should
digressing.
another.
This
we
is
keep
completely
talking,
another
we
episode.
talk about
This
lot
This
of
can be. Let us know in the comments if you
Yeah.
want this to be the next topic.
Yes.
yes now I want to ask Shobhita something
हाँ ये कुछ
पनीर समझ के खा जा
কতবার শুনেছিস?
মানে not exactly this maybe but things
Variations.
related to this and you tell what the thing is So
Why you are hearing it?
Why you're hearing it?
And how many
So,
times you heard it?
It's countless. I cannot count how many times. He has said it a lot of times. Actually. 5
God
minutes
से
back.
देखिए इस आदमी को and he's showing us the middle finger.
So he is vegetarian basically.
By choice?
Yeah,
By
by
choice.
choice.
But not
because
Neha
of
Dhupia.
not because of any
Not Neha Dhupia
superstition or anything like that.
Religious
but
aspects.
religious aspect. So it's just like he likes.
It's a it's a growing community actually. Like a Bengali who is veg, so who he hears a lot of things. Like বাঙালি হয়ে মাছ খাস না, বাঙালি হয়ে মাংস খাস না, নিরামিষ খাস, অনেক শুনেছি। বাট আই ডোন্ট ইট মিট অন চিকেন অর এগ অর এনিথিং বিকজ অফ দ্য টেস্ট। আই ডোন্ট লাইক দ্য ওয়ে দে টেস্ট, সো আই হ্যাভ বিন আ ভেজ ফর আ লাইফ লং।
Which makes me really hungry.
No, I can remember something like I know him for a very long time. Initially, when I was small enough to ask যে তুমি কেন খাও না, টেস্ট করেও তো দেখতে পারো। You know there is a line. You can say যে as a person who's concerned, as his
Yeah,
friend, I may
genuinely.
say যে ভাই একবার খেয়ে দেখ তোর ভালো লাগবে, বা একবার দুবার রেস্টুরেন্টে we have been to restaurants so many times, ভাই খেয়ে দেখো। So if he says
This is
a no,
something that I have liked, so maybe you like.
you like, হ্যাঁ, এই যে বলার একটা ধরন যে এটা করো বা এটা কর তোর ভালো লাগতে পারে, because I like it and I also want you to like the taste of it, something like that.
একদম ফ্রেন্ডস।
So exactly, so there is a line, but you won't say, hey ভাই ওতো খায়, মানে কেন?
মানে পিপল হ্যাভ
and-
সেন লাইক ছাগল যেটা খায় আমি ওটা খাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ, but has anyone done that? Like যেটা ওই ইনফেমাস ভিডিওটাতে ছিল যেখানে they with the fork they take it and just shove it, খানা খানা খানা, that thing. Has anybody done?
ফোর্স করেনি সেরকম করে, বাট মানে ওই পিৎজার টপিংস তো বেসিক্যালি কিছু বোঝা যায় না চিকেন কি, তো দে হ্যাভ লাইক টেকেন ইট লাইট ইনটু মাই ফেস, তো ইট ওয়াজ নট গুড অ্যাকচুয়ালি। তো স্টিল আই এম আ
No,
ভেজিটেরিয়ান।
I can remember one thing. We even made you taste prawn chips that day.
Yeah.
So he did not say I don't want to taste it.
because
He
there is nothing like
tasted.
ritual or
হ্যাঁ, no religious
মেনে
something
খাই
like
না
no, I
আমি।
cannot eat. So we made him like ভাই খেয়ে দেখ এটা ভালো খেতে। So he tasted, it was okay, it's fine, but it was like এটা না খেলে তো তোর জীবনটাই ধ্বংস
No,
হয়ে যাবে।
I remember I gave him this much. Broke up little piece and I
No.
was like, okay.
Like they just wanted to share an experience.
Now,
That's it.
while we are on this topic, I really want to share a small thing. Like
comedy
my
heavy.
friend,
Sorry.
Sure, sure.
no, so while we are on this topic, I really want to share, because I know Anuja will be seeing this and she'll be coming bashing at me. She has turned vegetarian for a few years now, and we keep on telling her to eat things, because for some people who have grown up eating meat, her body is not able to like understand what's
Actually,
what's wrong, what's
Actually.
wrong is happening.
What is
That
missing?
happens.
Recently, what happened is she is having lactose intolerance. So a vegetarian who eats paneer and everything, she cannot even have that. Her protein
That's
intake has gone down like anything. So we are just telling her to have eggs maybe. So that you are healthy. Like not doing that কি না তোকে খেতেই হবে, তুই কেন খাওয়া ছেড়ে দিচ্ছিস, এটা তো করতেই পারিস না।
You see, now this is borderline case. This is a medical thing. So you go
Exactly.
to a doctor.
Doctor has prescribed her, told her if you don't start eating this back, you're going to fall sick.
So now then, now it comes to her health. Now maybe she
Exactly.
has to change that, or maybe not.
Yeah.
So that's not bullying. That's just like concern for someone.
Exactly.
So
The
Now-
difference है.
There's a difference,
comes
of
the
course.
biggest part. I have been listening this for my entire life. Whenever you meet your relatives, like after a few months, তুই আরো কালো হয়ে গেছিস। আমি তো কালোই ছিলাম, মানে এত ফর্সা তো ছিলাম না আমি কোনোদিন, মানে কি করে আরো কালো হয়ে গেছি। No, but the concept of tanning, like dark people, they also tan. People of color, they also tan.
Everyone tans.
And fair and lovely mark, তুই ফর্সা হয়ে যাবি। Why don't you do something about your face? কিছু করছিস না কেন? Showing genuine concern that maybe, yeah, you can like visit a doctor, but that also becomes like a rant এই ডাক্তার দেখা, এটা কর ওটা কর, ভাই তোর মুখটা এরকম কেন লাগছে ভাই, এটা এরকম কেন হচ্ছে ভাই।
Like saying like this
To
in a
all of
public
them-
forum is not, also not.
To all of them, I think if someone did this to me, because even I suffered with pimples and all.
So did I.
हाँ, so पूछा कौन?
No,
When I ask for an opinion, listen, you have a really nice skin, or I know that that person was suffering with the exact same ailment, now they are better. So I can go and ask that person, listen, which doctor are you going to or what are you applying? तब ठीक है. But मांगने से पहले दिया,
I mean,
why?
I was confident enough to tackle that thing
Yeah.
like that. But one thing that stayed like in my head, like it has been like ওই বলে না খোদাই করে লিখে দিয়েছে।
গেঁথে গেছে।
People in our class apparently like there are some famous girls, and like I have always been known by like every teacher and everyone holding positions in school and like that. Their thing is like, how can she be like in the good books, like she doesn't even look like that.
You what?
I mean,
Slow clap.
my academics doesn't matter.
Actually,
Brains don't matter.
I am responsible doesn't matter. I'm good at doing things doesn't matter. What matters is how do I look.
Actually.
And this is
And
This
who
school, this
told
happens a
them
lot.
that you should look like that?
Yeah, this in school happens a lot. This actually comes from the movie as well.
no.
As well.
This has. I
And
want to
I'll
talk
tell you
about
one
this.
thing. This one part, since we were talking about one thing now, when you get bullied, you become the bully. What happened in school is my circle became so small, like the people who used to talk with me like I'm a regular normal person, just like that. At some point of time, like me, like and two of my friends like Anuja and Sushmita, we were like every captain, being the head girl and everything. They treated me like in such a worse way. I started talking to them in a way like you don't even matter. Like people used to scare like coming and talking to us. We used to stand at one place and we used to come like, "Eta kotha bolbo." Now the person you have been bullying your entire life, now they're on top of the hierarchy, and now you're feeling like আমি কি কে কথা বলতে পারবো ভাই, এটা কথা বলবো। I used to say না, যা এখান থেকে, like do I don't want to talk with you, whatever important it is. আমি গান করবো, আমি নাচ করবো, করতে দেবো না আমি, because you have treated me like that my entire life, and now I am on the top of the chain. This is what happens. This is how you create bullies.
Yeah, the mentality gets.
এটা কি দেখা গেল ক্যামেরাতে? ওকে, a cat just did do.
So like since he was
Yeah.
saying, it's not just movies. Three things come into factor. The first thing is your family background. Okay. Second thing is where you are, your education.
Maybe people you are surrounded by.
And the most important thing is your socio-economic background. Where you are coming from.
Definitely.
You can go to the most posh school in the city, but if you have friends in your locality who are not on the same level or the same wavelength, they are definitely going to bring you down. They'll simply pull you down to their level.
Even there's no surety that you go into a posh school and the school's
exactly.
kids who are rich kids will be like
Because
ekdam like cool and everything is chilled out there. It's not
Exactly,
like that.
because we gender divide ta to school we all have faced. Those first two benches were always occupied by the toppers. They will never relinquish their position. Even if you come first, you're the first person to enter the classroom and you want to go and sit there. Keno boshechish? This was something that we all did. Maybe even I did. Maybe even I did. My position, I'm going to sit here only. Arey kharid ke thodi rakha hai.
But you know what the thing is, we are in a certain way in our school life. What matters is the way we evolve.
Exactly.
Everybody
You
is not the
realize-
same way in every age of like
Yeah.
they need to grow up and evolve in a way that you don't do that same thing anymore.
Exactly.
If someone is sitting there, if it's a place that you like to sit, you'll be like জায়গাটা নিয়ে নিল, ঠিক আছে,
But
চল
you
একটা
can't
অন্য
be
জায়গায়
Sheldon
নিয়ে নিই।
Cooper.
But
You can't be like, that's my spot. You can't do that.
you just cannot do that. I mean,
That's where you grow up.
exactly
called growing up.
exactly.
But how many
They're
of
letting
us
go the
are
right
actually
things.
growing?
Not letting go everything, but letting go the right
Yeah.
things.
हाँ,
So-
मतलब if there is a scope of adjustment, do it. Right? If there is a scope of adjustment. Now, if you have a broken leg, for an example, if you have a broken leg, you want to sit at the edge of the seat because you want to keep your leg out. Then the other person has to understand and give you that position. But if you're fine and it's the other way around and you're like, no, I won't do it. क्या है मेरे को नहीं बनना है. I don't want good karma or whatever. Some people don't believe in it. Good deeds नहीं करने का.
I mean, see, we are listening to so many times. So it's not even that one person in this place has faced one kind of bullying.
No.
So there's so many things. So I really want like people who will be watching this video, for them, if
Share
you
their
can
experiences in
just
the
vent
comment
out.
section.
Yeah.
Because if you don't vent out, it's going to stay sticking there forever.
Like, imagine if we don't have a problem, if you want to imagine us as your bully and type it out in the comment box as if you're addressing that person. Just address, because this is something that we wanted to do. We are gonna again reiterate it at the end of the episode because I think that is very much needed. You need closure. This is some kind of a closure.
Exactly.
So of course we will never advocate ki find your bully from the yellow phone book, dial that person and give him galis and all. No, don't do that because it's not going to get you anywhere better. You being a good person, you will feel bad after doing it. Ki difference kahan raha? Came to the same. I'm sure you felt bad after doing that.
After she's like,
now
when
you look
she
back and you're like, I
said
shouldn't
those
have done
things,
that.
she was feeling like, what
Yeah.
did I do?
Therefore,
Shouldn't
I
have
said it like that, I shouldn't have done that
Exactly.
to them. But that point of time, I felt like that was the right,
That was the right
thing to do. But now I will never
You know better.
ever talk to someone not even close to that anymore.
Even if they misbehave, you're going to be on your. And we have done that very recently.
Exactly.
Haven't we? We have done
Exactly. That's
that.
okay.
Very recently. আচ্ছা সো লাইক সাইবার বুলিং ব্যাপারটা বুঝলাম, বাট পুরো ব্যাপারটা না খোলসা করে বুঝলাম না মানে
হ্যাঁ মানে পুরো জিনিসটা কি আর কি হতে পারে ওটাতে।
আর এটার কি মানে সাপোজ কেউ একটা কিছু করছে তো পুলিশ তো
থামানো
করবে
করবে।
থামানোর কোনো ব্যবস্থা নেই?
The thing is, like, we were going through like research. So basically there is this website, it's updated in 2020, so I'm guessing it's like giving the right information. It says that, hopefully it says that the Indian Penal Code 1860 neither defines bullying nor punishes it as an offense. However, there's a however, various provisions of the IPC and the Information Technology Act 2000 can be used to fight cyberbullies, which says that there are things like cyber stalking of women, cyber stalking of men, and online sexual harassment. There are certain things like that, but there is no such law that says that if you bully someone, it's basically on you how you want to deal with it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But that's
No,
bad.
that's not the thing. वो तो अलग है.
मतलब कर लेगा तो सिर्फ अकाउंट ब्लॉक होगा बस।
नहीं,
Exactly.
When I think there is no punishment for this. So if there is a crime and there's no punishment, that crime will rise, no?
The thing is, which he very rightly said,
IPC.
There is
what is wrong with you, bro?
when you just terminate someone's profile or account and stop them from using it, they can create another one
Yes,
yeah.
very easily.
and continue doing that.
अकाउंट बनाने में तो आधार कार्ड नहीं लगता ना वही।
Exactly. Like when you actually, the concept of punishment is that you mentally try to change the person from doing that thing again.
Yeah.
Isn't it like that? But just terminating an account or being like, no, you cannot use it anymore. Something happened recently.
Yeah, so this is
Cyberbullying.
another
Cyberbullying.
This is another thing. Like I got to know it myself. Like, see, when you are making a joke or you are commenting something, like suppose I upload a picture, somebody finds it funny, they put a haha react on it, and then they comment something, okay? Or I say something which is completely for the sake of comedy. I'm just joking.
Say it in a different
No,
note.
we have a friendship on another level. Like
हाँ,
we talk
exactly.
on that level in that comment.
So वहाँ पे Facebook doesn't understand that.
It's
So,
like they have certain keywords.
Security, yes. So they have their security guidelines in place, and if you violate that, you're doomed. They'll give you a warning, and then I got that warning because a friend of mine commented. She was trying to irritate me, so I just said die. Okay, I mentioned her and I said die. Like we always say, it's not like we are killing that person or wishing that they die. just hate.
हाँ,
So it's like that.
it's
So,
sarcastical.
exactly, and half of sarcasm is like electricity, half of India doesn't get it. So it's that way. Facebook also doesn't get
The
it.
point is here only, where it is sarcasm and where it is not.
Thin line.
That line
The
is
thin line is.
no, but I will
You're
own
learning
up.
problem.
Yeah, I will own up to it because I myself have been like it has been brought to my notice. जे मैंने कभी कभी वो लाइन ना चाहते हुए क्रॉस कर लिया एंड मुझे खुद ही पता नहीं चला एंड इट डज हैपन इफ यू आर द मोस्ट द लाउड माउथ और द वाइस क्रैक ऑफ द
Always
ग्रुप
trying to make some jokes and
trying to you're basically like Neil or me or Marishna so
हाँ, and also like यहाँ पे when we are talking about cyberbullying, it's like the way you talk in your inner circle. Like আমি আমার বন্ধুদের মধ্যে যেভাবে কথা বলবো, sitting face to face, online it's not like that.
because the tone
Yeah.
the body language none
You
of
cannot
it is
understand
visible
tone in text also.
Exactly.
Text.
How do you figure
Comment is a
out
text
how
only,
to
no?
how do you figure out how to deal with this cyberbullying kind of thing? Because I have
and now
Never,
people are
I don't think I have
due to
faced it.
geo people are using VPNs.
right
Yeah.
Now the VPN with cyberbullying is like you cannot locate the location of that person.
so you basically it's
He's
as
sitting in
good as a
India,
hacker.
but he's in New Zealand and typing a
Typing
bullying
something.
message to you.
IP টা ওখানকারই দেখাবে।
But actually, this is our, I think we will all agree, we humbly urge the government to maybe just take a step towards this because I think
since
Neil
we
will
are
agree.
so digital right now.
Yeah, because,
so digital.
we are
Everything
going
is digital.
cashless.
It's a digital India.
It's a digital India.
Exactly.
Awareness না আসলে তারপরে তো মানে
Definitely. So
Taking the step.
this is one step from
Yeah,
our
baby
side
step.
towards that. And we wish that, after this, one thing that Simran was mentioning before, there is a kind of like a taboo to not discuss about these things. हुआ है ठीक है, I'll keep it to myself. बात नहीं करेंगे.
Because I don't know how the person
Is going to react.
react
What if
to
this
it.
person also laughs?
Yeah.
ए बाबा तू कैसा बोला?
so that's double trauma.
सही तो बोला. तो something like
Double
this.
trauma.
But still, the bullying part that we have been, yes, different stories for each one, but we have been on the lighter side.
Definitely.
People have been bullied like traumatized for life. They have been
They have
Exactly.
even ended. They've taken their
their
own
lives
because
for
of
being
it.
because of that. Yeah.
So definitely that is not another step. Ignorance cannot be the step, and definitely deciding to quit life is not a
Definitely.
step. It's not a step for anybody. So, but then definitely we urge the government to think about this. We don't know. We hope it reaches someone.
সবথেকে বড় কথা তো এই ব্যাপারগুলো নিয়ে বাড়িতে কথা বলা দরকার।
একদম।
যদি
Definitely.
স্কুলে হয়ে থাকে বাবা মার সাথে কথা বলো।
It
begins-
begins charity, just like charity
Exactly.
begins from home.
কথা বলো।
বাড়ির এনভায়রনমেন্টটাকে তোমাকে ওইভাবে তৈরি করতে হবে, প্লাস তোমার unknowingly your parents also somehow
Sometimes
say
do that.
certain things.
Yeah.
Oh, Sharma ji के बेटे को देखो. That comparison can also become a kind of like a
Yeah,
bullying
it
that
does. It creates a
Even-
pressure.
yeah.
Why am I not as good as
I'm inferior.
Yeah,
My,
so and so.
and the biggest thing is मेरे खुद के parents feel that I'm
seeing
inferior.
like that? So it
Not
must
Sharma
be
ji का बेटा
something
का
really,
parents.
yeah.
And that also because of a report card. Although Albert Einstein failed. He was thrown out of the school. Look very
Go chill, man, chill.
No, I'm just saying.
Basically, yeah. So at least I would like to urge parents, if you're watching this, support your
two-way
children
street, exactly.
because a lot of them are afraid to come up to you and talk to you because they think that you won't understand their situation. And in a lot of Indian families, that is the case.
Yeah.
So if you can support your children, listen to your children and support your children.
Talk to your siblings, cousins, friends.
Anyone you
So
consider
that
that
this culture develops, that you
Yeah.
start talking. You don't
And
keep it to yourself.
And you never know when you supposedly you talk to your brother about this, maybe your brother unknowingly was doing this. Now that
He will
his younger
understand, yeah.
brother has faced this, he will stop.
Exactly.
Same, it will go for friends, it'll grow and band together. If there is, this happens when people, if a group is bullying another group, unity बढ़ता है उस group में. But
and people who are like writing diaries to share
Yeah.
and they have no one to share anything. They can write blogs, I would say. That
Definitely.
is still a public forum.
Put it out.
People can read their experiences
Exactly.
anonymously. They can no need to give their names and anything. People can react to those experiences, bad or worse experiences, And because writing a diary and keeping it to yourself is a lot of burden. I would
It's
say.
again, just ignoring it in some way. You're actually acknowledging it somehow, but then you're again putting it
aside.
putting it
You're
aside.
writing and you're forgetting about
Stand
it.
up.
Or at least trying to.
We definitely stand up to bullying, and we have stood up. Hence, maybe we are mentally in a better space today.
Exactly.
We have accepted that they were also kids at that time. We were also kids. They didn't know better, and we moved on. We chose to move on, but it's not going to be the same case for everybody. But we do hope that this video helps someone,
Exactly.
everyone, yeah,
Who's going through like something.
something similar to this.
Yes.
So
তাহলে?
yeah,
That's it.
আমার খিদে পেয়েছে।
আমারও খুব খিদে পেয়েছে
আমি তখন থেকে বলছিলাম আমার খিদে
ওর
পেয়েছে।
আরো খিদে পেয়েছে রাক্ষসী
This is not bullying, by the way.
So this is where we end our podcast.
This is
Thank you for
yes.
watching.
Yeah, I would like to tell everyone to, if you like this one, so leave a
Like-
comment.
like, subscribe,
Subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
comment.
সাকরা গাইব
Subscribe.
প্লিজ
and
And hit the bell icon.
because we are
There is
gonna
no bell
There is
icon.
no bell. বলছে বেল ওখানে
And we'll leave the previous episodes in the I button.
এটা ইউটিউব নয়
it will be here somewhere here. Oh, this is not going on YouTube.
This will go on YouTube later
This
on.
will go on.
Go
Yeah.
on YouTube.
so this is just
I know
see,
that.
See, we are a multi-channel organization.
Yes.
We are multi.
we are multi in every
We have like
aspect of it
invented social media where we are giving this video. You don't know that social media yet, actually.
So, okay, enough Philly.
It will come to India
No,
later
see,
on.
we wanted to end it on a lighter note.
lighter note
So, but then do share this if you like it. Share it with people you know have faced something like this, and maybe they will have the courage to come up and talk about it. Social media can be used for the betterment, and we wish to do that.
definitely
And stay tuned for the next episode.
And
yes
keep supporting us.
yes okay
Bye.
sayonara